Hi, I'm Jeff with Westcott Designs, and today we're going to talk about the Land Cruiser 200 series. We have just finished up our preload collar kit for this vehicle. You can see our lower collar down here in the bottom of the factory Takiko strut. And then up here we've got our upper half-inch shim here. So the strut works the way it was designed to in its factory location. Still has factory travel on it. This truck, when it's all done, we'll be able to accommodate, well, right now we have a 295 70/18 on the factory wheel. You can run a 315/70, 315/70/17 on it, or even 315, or even maybe a 35. But you will have to do remove the mud flaps here and trim just the right corner off on the back here. We take the fender liner here and we push the fender liner just forward a little bit, and we just trim the bottom edge right here. What that is, so we don't have any kind of rubbing issues or anything like that. We're trying to keep the factory look in the fender well on this as well, plus retain the factory ride and use the factory suspension. Being this truck's a 21, we want to utilize this factory suspension without just throwing it away. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to get the wheel on this. We're going to get on the ground. We're going to share with you what the truck looks like when it's all said and done. So right now we're 3 in the front and we're about 2 in the back. And we're going to get this thing to sit level for you, and we're going to share it with you and hope that you enjoy it. And if you have any questions or you're interested in the kit, please don't hesitate to reach out to us. Thanks again for watching.